So this is the green version. I just wanted to give it a nice, like a British racing green colour to it really. Kept it to a black border. I've also put a very thin black outline around that letter just to make it pop off even more. But you can just see that, you know, it's such a fun process to create these letters, and you know, and you can see that the way they just pop out and stand off the glass with the chipping process, and it's quite a nice fine chip to this one. So yeah, there it is. We can see with both of these, they're quite striking pieces, and you know, this we can get some clips now. I can clip these and stick them onto straight directly to a wall if you wanted to, or you can put them to a timber frame, you know, like a brown plaque, say, behind the glass itself, and you can fix it to that. Or you can also, you know, if you want to, you can also drill holes before you do anything, and then you do your nipped glass. So you do your nipped glass, do your drill your holes in there, and you can actually, you know, hang it that way as well. So there's plenty of ways to do it. And also, I don't know if you've seen them in the past, there's little chain hangers that people use. So by putting some holes in, say here and here, you can literally attach it to little brass fixings and hang it on the wall as well. So lots of different ways to mount these pieces. But yeah, overall, really, really pleased with these panels. And yeah, you'll enjoy making them.